This is my first hotel. Welcome to Living MLN Travel Channel. Got a bed, single cupboards, aircon. I didn't think I had aircon, that's good. Refrigerator, some storage, do my work, Wi-Fi, that's good. Bathroom and toilet. It's cost me about $13 a night, so it's not bad. Just speaking quietly. I think the walls are very thin, so I'm just talking quietly. There you go. Wall to wall. So that's my place for the next 5 nights.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
Alright, it's next morning. It's a bit late in the day. Just been watching some American football. Both my fantasy teams have gone down this weekend. Not great. Looks like Tom Brady's going to have another great season. So now I'm going to forget about NFL and go and explore the local area. Let me show you the local area around this hotel. I slept okay actually last night.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other.
Alright, my hotel is just behind me, about 50 meters down that road. I'm now on Cheonggyecheon stream, the famous stream. Birds chirping, beautiful day. It's Monday on the public holiday of the Chuseok, so people exploring. And on top of the mountain you can see the tower. Alright. Now I'm going to go to the other direction and I'll show you what's on the other direction. Alright, this pagoda is 10 stories high, 12 meters high, built in 1465. It's huge. This is where the first March independent movement started. It's called, I'll put what it's called up here, I forget what it's called. It's just a little park, free to come in. Looks like a bit of homeless people live here or stay here. Looks like they're feeding them as well. So this is where Korea started to get its independence from, this area. Right, this is Insadong, one of my favorite little towns. Again, a couple hundred meters from my hotel. So this is great living downtown, and all this is on the foot of my hotel. I'm gonna get some lunch and go home. 안녕. Can I get 하나 egg bread? Yeah. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Thank you. Alright, I got an egg bread. 2001. Iman one. Love these, very nice. A bit of salt would make them better. There's sweet bread and the egg. A bit of salt would make it perfect. Alright, that will do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Just a immediate area around my hotel. I hope to do a lot of exploring while I'm here in Seoul. It's great that I can just go out and do stuff and not plan. So, I'll see you next time.